I opened this place around 3.5 years ago. It was very important for me to bring Japanese traditional cultures and the Japanese service. That each person comes to this place that are fulfilled with the great energy and happiness from the inside of the heart, letting you to feel like a good atmosphere. In Japan, we call it like customers are God. I want this place to be for everybody, to cure the body and heal the soul. The first place was opened like 3.5 years ago, and there was like only one small room and 2 chairs for the reflexology. And I did everything from the answering the telephone, giving massage, even laundry, and sending flyers. Now, after 1 year, we moved to this place. We have all kind of treatment with the oil, and such as Zenshin massage, relaxation massage, and combination massage. And also specialty is herbal bowl treatment and hot stone, and then hot shell with the cacao butter, which is very special. Traditional Japanese design is always clean, beautiful, and simple. This is the reason I brought everything from Japan.